Welcome to a very special episode of Green Life with your boy TPG. We're here on Fernando De Noronha.
Fernando De Noronha is an island off the coast of northern Brazil. It took a long plane trip to get there from Campinas, but man, was it worth it. Let's go.
Crab Kingdom. Look at these things. Little bit of a gnarly situation as the tide is definitely coming in. Got the homies over there. We got the sacrificial rock. We got the ocean, El Mar. I feel like I'm playing a dangerous game with these crabs right now, though.
Part of the reason I was so into these crabs was because they reminded me of the classic 1993 Prodigy album, Fat of the Land. I mean, it looks kind of the same.
Good climbing on these crabs, dude. Alright guys, thank you for watching this episode, straight out of the Green Life with TPG, with your boy. I'm here on the island, Fernando De Noronha in Brazil. Buckle up.